Number one, yung parang like for example, hindi ako makapag-ipon dahil kaunti ang aking income. Or
Hindi ba totoo yun? Paano kung 20,000 pesos lang yung sweldo mo per month? Makakapag-ipon ka pa ba?
well, ito yung reality, no? Yes, there are certain limitations. Pero I do believe ang pinaka-first limitation is on your way of thinking eh.
That's true.
Because your way of thinking will dictate your way of living. Wrong way of thinking, wrong way of living. Right way of thinking, right way of living. So, ang tatanungin mo ng sarili mo is tama ba yung paniniwala ko? Tama ba yung ginagawa ko?
Yeah.
Paano malaman na tama? Based on results. If you're happy with the results that you are experiencing in your life, it will say, tama yung pananaw mo, tama yung ginagawa mo. But if you are unhappy, dissatisfied with the results that you have right now, probably there's something wrong with your belief system and there's something wrong with what you're doing. Or like for example, isn't it strange? Ito para sa lahat, no? Yung pinakaunang income ng karamihan ng tao, syempre maliit siya.
Yeah.
Himala, nung maliit ang kita na pagkakasya, minsan may sobra pa. Nung lumaki ng income, nagkulang
Kulang
na,
na.
nagkautang pa. At wala akong pinapatamaan dito.
May tinamaan ba sa inyo? Parang tinamaan si Inang.
Di ba? Parang okay. Kasi tumaas ang bilihin, tumaas ang gastusin, You know, the problem is it's not inflation. The problem is lifestyle inflation. Dating hindi mo kinakain mo na. Dating hindi mo binibili mo na. Yun yung sinasabi, healing of the inner child.
Anong masasabi mo dun sa healing of the inner child?
Ay, okay naman. Because syempre, dating hindi natin nabibili, syempre deserve natin. Dating hindi natin nakakain, kailan ma-experience natin. However, there are certain limitations. When you say limitations, kasi our income is limited.
Yeah.
But our wants and expectations in life are unlimited. So, parang ang point lang, we should learn how to manage our finance instead of finance dictating how we should live our life. So, simple lang naman eh.